Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're tackling a super practical crypto tutorial. How to send USDT from your Arculus wallet to Trust Wallet in 2025. If you're into cryptocurrencies, you know how important it is to move your assets securely and efficiently. Whether you're building your portfolio or just making a quick transfer, this step-by-step guide will have you sorted in no time. Let's jump right in. First things first. Make sure you have both the Arculus Wallet and Trust Wallet apps installed on your device and that you're logged into your accounts. Security is key in crypto, so double-check that you're on a secure network. Step 1. Open your Arculus Wallet app and navigate to the main dashboard. Look for your USDT balance, that's the stablecoin we're working with. Tap on it to access the send or transfer option. Next, in your Trust Wallet, go to the USDT asset page. Here, you'll need to copy your receiving address. It's usually a long string of letters and numbers, so make sure you copy it accurately to avoid any mix-ups. Now, head back to Arculus Wallet. Paste the Trust Wallet address into the recipient field. Enter the amount of USDT you want to send, and don't forget to check the transaction fees. They can vary based on network congestion. Before you hit send, review everything. The address, the amount, and any additional details like memos if required for USDT on certain networks. Once you're confident, confirm the transaction. You'll likely need to authenticate with your wallet's security features, like a PIN or biometric verification. After sending, keep an eye on the transaction status in Arculus Wallet. It might take a few minutes to a few hours depending on the blockchain network. Once it's confirmed, open Trust Wallet and refresh your USDT balance to see the funds arrive. And there you have it. You've successfully transferred USDT between wallets. Remember, always stay vigilant against scams and use hardware wallets when possible for added security. If this video helped you out, give it a thumbs up, drop a comment below, and subscribe for more crypto tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.